Today we are going to learn about how to use would and could in English. We will talk about different situations in which we can use could or would. First situation, usage in the past tense. Could is the past tense of can and would is the past tense of will. He can ride a horse. According to this sentence, he has the ability to ride a horse in the present time. But when we use could, like he could ride a horse when he was younger, this sentence shows at the present time he does not have the ability to ride a horse, but in the past he has ability to ride a horse. Could tells us about the capability of someone to be able to do something in the past. On the other hand, will is used with the future tense. My mother will take me to the market. According to this sentence, I am sure that my mother will take me to the market. But when we use would, the whole sentence change like my mother would take me to the market every day when I was little. According to this sentence, in the past, my mother took me to the market every day, but now the situation has changed. This is the first difference between could and would. Now we will talk about the second situation in which we can use could or would. Use could for possibilities. He could go to Paris next week. According to this sentence, he will go to Paris next week. It is not sure if he will go or not. That is why we used could with this sentence. Ria could be the one who stole the money. According to this sentence, maybe Ria is the one who stole the money. It is also possible that she did not steal the money. That is why we used could with this sentence. Use would for unreal or unlikely situations. If you had helped me, I would have been successful. According to this sentence, he did not help him. This situation is completely imaginary. That is why we used would with this sentence. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. According to this sentence, he never won the lottery. This situation is unreal. That is why we used would with this sentence. Now we will talk about the third situation in which we can use could or would. Could can be used to express suggestion, condition, polite request, and permission. You can notice these features by looking at the examples below. We could go shopping together. Suggestion. We used could with suggestion. In this sentence, suggestion of shopping is given. If I had more time, I could travel around the world. Condition. We used could with conditional sentences. He is putting the condition of time for traveling. Could you open the door for me, please? Polite request. In this sentence, request is made by speaker. Could I borrow your pencil? Permission. We used could with permission. In this sentence, the speaker is asking for permission to borrow a pencil. Would can also be used to express a wish, offer, and request. You can notice these features by looking at the examples below. I would like to win this tournament. Wish. It is his wish to win a tournament. We always used would with wish. Would you like some more tea? Offer. We used would with offer. Speaker is giving him offer for tea. Would you excuse me just 1 second? Request. Using would make the request more formal and polite. That is why we used would with this sentence. I hope everyone understood this lecture. I tried my best to make this lecture useful for everyone. You can watch this lecture again if you have any doubt. I hope everyone will like this video and share it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more educational content.